We celebrate Jose at 10. Togora akiona Darora mweno yo thimairo kamenya they are beautiful ladies Nyarari cia Gikûyu na nigo magokoro makitoa shine igogoni-ini riri no akirorogwo. I love their theme color, looking beautiful na no ginya magakona ka African touch tokoro tukigeithio ni murugamiri munene akora gitira how do they feel muthenya umuthi nio magokoro makiasha in our VVIP guest and kabuni nori irutaga wira atia na nigetha mokwe magokoro makigrace igogona riaku. Karibu sana Gikûyu Vibes.
Thank you very much. My name ona hamaritwa jitagwo Immaculate Joki na demunene wa gikundi giki giretagwo Start Race. Na Gikûyu jimeishia hapo. So this is my beautiful team.
Even before you go to the beautiful team, adwana mauga atiriri. Najua Gikûyu lakini sijui kuongea. But anyway, it's all the whole team here, but it's always a vibe. How you can tell us, when did this group form?
This group formed last year, literally when we were beginning. Yes. But in my mind, it formed last year, but in October. Yes. But we began working last year from January.
Dream. So now, last year, now it has was actualized. How do you feel tonight that you're hosting one of the big events? In VVIP guests.
First, from the name, it's called Start Race. Yes. And Start Race is kutafuta nyota. Kwetha data itugo. And what I do is empower young women, and I also empower young youth. Yes. And today I feel blessed being that Jose has chosen to empower us. Yes. And help us to get like these jobs so that we can grow to better people and bigger people. So I feel honored because I know that it's not going to be only Jose. Yes. It's going to be Jose and other people and other big people who are also supporting Jose. So we feel honored, we feel blessed, and we're hoping to work on more events with him.
10 years. No way to Jose. 10 years. No way to Jose. Wacha tusikie. Wacha tu challenge. 10 years. No gina tu inelele boro mwero Jose. To huterie.
Wahenirie Nyende waku wa maisha ngoro yakwa Gikunengera yothe miaka 10 nduraga kwetereire ndioĩ wathie Nairobi ni ugacenjia njokeria teo ndakũgũrĩire tondu thimba ni wagĩkire kĩoro warĩkia kuo na mũthuri Nairobi na ngakena ngakĩnjĩta tũirio twega
we harĩ ũrĩ we wahenanire tondũ ti mũtumia nĩ mũthuri we no ngĩwe ũrĩ bora Jose and inside ona hanini. How do you feel that today you'll be hosting our VVIP guests?
I'm feeling amazing. It's amazing being here to celebrate this amazing milestone, and I'm glad to be hosting and welcoming the guests. I just hope everyone has a really good time and to enjoy themselves.
Now that you don't know, hata kasonga moja hivi, who is your favorite Gikûyu artist? Hata kama unajua they always a vibe, so lazima asikie kuna Jose. Ama who is your favorite Kenyan artist?
Kenyan artist? Bento.
Would you try to sing kadogo?
Mimi kuimba nayo ilinikata.
On this side, your favorite Gikûyu artist?
Ben Githae.
Tuhutirie rompedo, no nginya ukorwo ni rompedo.
I don't hear Gikûyu.
Anajua Ben, lakini Gikûyu. She does. Anyway, tonight as we host, maybe you can give us a list of events that you people always host.
So we host a lot of events, both government events, we host also corporate events, we also host social events, that is weddings, shows, birthdays, graduation. If you have a launch, you want to launch something new, we also do that. Other than that, we do marketing, we do advertisement, we do flyer distributions, we also do that. Now, plus, size to expand. And we are doing events and events management and planning, and we're going to help you do your events. We do your decor, and we also come on board to make sure that your event is successful by ushering in your guests.
There are some ladies out there wanasema I wish I can work with that team. Kuna slots ama wagoje?
Slots ni mingi. So far so good. I have 170 girls and I have a list of 40 guys. So slots ni kubwa. Watu endelea to join, let's empower each other.
Social media handles and a number that probably they can give you a call and book you people.
So all the social media platform is Touches Kenya, everywhere. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere. On WhatsApp, you can find me on 0740 877 370. 0740 877 370.
A message to Joseph for giving you this opportunity.
A message to Jose is one, I am proud of you as an artist for all these years, and I love your music. It has a lot of good messages that I send out there, and I'm one of your biggest fan. And the other thing is continue and mentor more to be like you.
Asanteni sana. As he mentors, also give slots to the young people so that at least mwende na giving back to the community. Andũ aya otogo wake igwa mahewira na nigetha mwa mahewira makorwo magithii na mbere na growth na nigetha tuthii na mbere na kunyitanira tugi celebrate Jose at 10 mwihika hikeni nigetha mukorwo mukina Nyarari ici twaririe